Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. For today, I've created this Valentine's Day inspired makeup tutorial. If you'd like to see how to create this look, please subscribe down below and keep on watching.
So to get started, we're using the Juice Beauty foundation, and I'm just applying this all over my face, and I'm going to blend it out with the beauty blender. So I'm blending this out using a Real Techniques beauty sponge, and I'm just patting it into the skin. As you can see, that way I get a nice even coverage. Then moving on, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm applying this all the areas where I do want to conceal and also highlight my face. Okay, now that I have that applied, I'm blending it out again with the Real Techniques beauty sponge, and I'm just pressing this into the skin. You'll see here that underneath the eye I'm looking up, and that is to prevent creasing underneath your eye. I'm then going in with the Rihanna Matchstix, and I'm using this to contour my face, and I'm using this along any parts of my face where I do want to create more shadows and kind of define the area more. And once again, just blending that out using my beauty blender. Now, to ensure that my concealer does not move all throughout the day, I'm applying some Mercier Transluscent powder right where I highlighted as well. Now, using the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, I'm taking the color Peaches and Cream, and I'm applying this all over my eyelid. And then going in with the color Summer Yum, I'm applying this onto my crease and a little higher above my crease. So as you can see, I'm applying it, and then I'm using the same brush to just blend it upward. Then I'm using my cut crease hack. I did this myself. If you would like to see how to create this, I'll leave the link in the description box down below. And I'm just using this to outline my cut crease and then make it a lot easier to do, and just blending that out with the brush, that way it's a lot smoother. Then taking the color Candied Peach, I went right over top that, and I'm patting it in, and this color is so pigmented, it's really gorgeous. Now going right over that with the color Just Peachy, I'm using a small blending brush by Sigma, and I'm just applying this right over top, and I'm blending this all out, that way there are no harsh lines. Highlight, I'm taking the color Bellini, and then I'm going right underneath my eye on my lower lash line and using Puree and Summer Yum to create this nice drama right underneath the eye. Gel Eyeliner by Sigma, I'm adding a winged liner and lashes as well. Onto the lips, I'm using the color Rose Crush by Jordana and lining my lips. And then I'm going in with Anastasia Beverly Hills Strip Liquid Lipstick all over my lips as well. And right over top that, I'm using the Huda Beauty color in Shameless, and this is the lip strobe, so it'll give that nice pop of color that we want. Then to finish off the look, I'm using the Rimmel London Trio, and this is the blush, highlighter, and bronzer all in one by Kate. And I'm just highlighting my face, all the high points, and kind of highlighting in a C-like form. That way you can get this all around beautiful glow. And this is the final result, almost. Something's missing with the hair, so just a minute, and there we go.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to subscribe down below, give me a big thumbs up, and I hope that you enjoyed this Valentine's Day and spend it with those that you love the most. Until next time, remember to create a life that you love.